somebody's birthday today. It's somebody's birthday today.
Somebody special, somebody sweet, someone we all know on Sesame Street.
Somebody's birthday today. Happy birthday to me. It's somebody's birthday today. It's somebody's birthday today.
Someone we know will have candles blow, dancing and music, thank you, and balloons that will show. Today,
Happy birthday to me.
clap along, friends, it's somebody's birthday today, and that's why we're all here to say we're happy to celebrate, and we're asking you. Or can you guess who? We're having a birthday today. It's somebody's birthday today. We're happy to celebrate somebody's Happy birthday, Snuffy! And we're also excited that you're here to celebrate with us. How about since we are all here, this Big Bird, let's open up our presents from Big Bird, Snuffy. Let's see what we have here. It's tissue paper! Oh no, look at this! It's a book! Big Bird, that is so thoughtful. How about, friends, that I read aloud a Big Bird story to you, and Snuffy and Big Bird can act out their adventure? How does that sound? All right. Big Bird, you brought the great ABC hunt. It was another sunny day on Sesame Street. Big Bird loved the alphabet, so he thought he would play a game with Snuffy to try and find an item for every alphabet around Sesame Street. But he went to Adam from Cooper's store and said that if he and Snuffy could find an item for every letter of the alphabet, he would make them both a bird seed milkshake. Wow, Lee, what a prize! I'm ready to start the ABC hunt, said Snuffy. It's my favorite game. I'm Mr. Snuffleupagus G. I forgot about how good you are at this game. Maybe I need some help. Will you help Snuffy and Big Bird out in the ABC hunt? Yeah, great! The first thing they did was use a map of the street to find out where they wanted to go.
We're not quite sure where we're going.
Oh yeah.
It's so easy to look and see on our map.
It's what?
On a map. If we're here on that right this way, here's the school right across the street. And beside it on our map right there is the wine shop.
Wow, this is sweet.
On the corner there's a bus stop sign. Here it is just like the picture said. If we turn and walk in a straight line, we'll find a visit shop straight ahead. When there's a place you want to go, but you're not quite sure how to get there, here's a tip that's a friend who knows. Use a map.
Use a map.
After using a map, Snuffy ran back and said, "Look, Bird, for A, I got an anchor. B, I got a book. C, I got a cow. And for D, I got a door." "What did you get, Bird?" Snuffy asked. "How did you get that so fast?" "We didn't get anything yet," said Big Bird. "Well, I know how we can help Big Bird Snuffy out first. Can everyone point to our elbows for E? What about face for F? Here you go. Can everyone point to their face? Oh, nice job. Big Bird said, "For G, we can say growing. Since everyone with us here looks like they are taller than they were last year." "I thought they were taller than before," said Snuffy. So off they went to search for some more items. Then they stopped at the park to see what they could find. Oh, it looks like Big Bird and Snuffy found their items. They found a beehive, an ice cream stand, and a jogger. "Wow," said Snuffy. "We are almost halfway through the items we need to find." Big Bird and Snuffy next went inside Elmo's room and were greeted by Elmo. Together, they all found a kite, a lamp, a mattress, and a notebook. The search continued enjoyed some delicious rolls, they still had some more objects to find. They went to the community garden and ran into Abby and Debbie. Abby was planting some flower seeds in her garden, and she said she didn't see anything that in her garden would stand for the letter T. So they moved on to other letters and found an umbrella, a flower vase, and a watering can, but still nothing to stand for T. So the whole neighborhood was on a search for what they could use for the letter T. During their search, they found a xylophone for X, a yo-yo for Y, and a zebra for Z. But finally, Snuffy and Big Bird heard a soft bark. That's it, Big Bird said. Tango starts with the letter T. We did it! We found something for all the letters of the alphabet. Wow, I think we won the contest. Let's go back to Alan and show him. Big Bird and Snuffy rushed back to the Reaper store with all of their items, and just as he promised, Alan gave them a 13 milkshake for their reward. As they were enjoying their treats, they heard a familiar tune.
Does that music sound vaguely familiar to you?
It certainly does sound vaguely familiar.
You know what I think it is? I think they're playing our song. What do I hear? They're playing our song.
It's very clear they're playing our song.
It isn't his first song.
No, it is much too fine.
It isn't someone else's. It's yours and mine.
I know that beat. They're playing our song.
Simple and sweet. I know it well.
It's a song that's made to hear for a particular year.
Ah! It is song.
For her song,
For my song.
for their song, it's our song. Ours was.
The end. Oh, what a wonderful story, Big Bird. Now, one of our favorite things to do at parties is to share stories, but another one of our favorites is to dance. What do you guys say? Should we ask Snuffy to show us one of his favorite dances? What do you say? Oh, how about it, Snuffy?
All right, everybody, you want to do this snuffle up against Polka?
Who's that?
Right, Maestro, hit it.
There's an instrumental dance that snuffle up against the do. You want think it's not for you, that's simply the true. You don't need to have a snuffle, don't be a love you. Snuffle up against the do.
Okay, can we all put our arms together and we can make our snuffle up against nose? Let's figure out what about that dance. What can you do over here? Oh, I see some pretty big toes over here.
Just don't find yourself a snuffle up against the do. Something like this is what we'll do. Till the day is through, yeah, the snuffle up against the do.
All right, then how about we keep up this dance party going with the game of freeze dance? When the music plays, we'll dance out. When the music pauses, we freeze. Can everyone stand up here on the front with me? We'll dance. Oh, yeah. Dance. Oh, I love that dance. I love that dance. Hey, you happy to dance? Freeze, freeze, freeze. Yeah, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Snuffy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me.
Thanks so much for celebrating Snuffy's birthday with us, friends. If you would like to meet Big Bird and Snuffy, can we ask you to line up right down over here? If you've already met Snuffy or Big Bird, you can walk out right these doors with my other fellow party planner, Dennis, and we can stick around. Thanks so much for dancing and celebrating. If you would like to meet Snuffy and Big Bird, can I start our line right up with me? Yeah, my friends, you can start our line